Hi, welcome back to Create to Mesa. Today we are going to make Ganeshji with this silicone mold. So let's get started. I'm using this mold for making Ganeshji. After drying up, this is how it will turn out. We can make use of it in our wall art and wall hangings, just like the one that I've shown here. I made this using homemade ceramic clay dough. Stay tuned to my channel to find out the recipe. Let's get started. For easy removal, oil the silicone mold thoroughly. Take some time and oil all the nooks and corners of this silicone mold so that you get an even finish on the final product. Place the ceramic clay firmly onto the mold and remove the excess. For demolding, I have taken an old aluminium sheet and applied some oil. Slowly demold and remove the excess with spatula as shown here. Let it dry completely and then paint your desired color. If you like my content, please consider subscribing and hit the like button. Until next time, bye.